German Chancellor Olaf Scholz's government has affirmed its willingness to collaborate with the International Criminal Court should proposed arrest warrants be issued against Israeli leaders, as confirmed by a government spokesperson. During a press briefing on Wednesday, Government Press Secretary Stefan Hebestreit, when queried about Berlin's stance on executing an ICC arrest warrant against Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for alleged war crimes against Palestinians, responded unequivocally, stating, "Of course, yes, we abide by the law," as reported by DW. This statement followed a plea from Israel's ambassador to Berlin, Ron Prosor, who urged Scholz's administration to resist the ICC's actions. Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan recently submitted applications seeking arrest warrants against Netanyahu, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, and 3 Hamas leaders for perpetrated war crimes and crimes against humanity related to the Gaza conflict. Israel's government has criticized the proposed warrants as anti-Semitic and urged civilized nations to boycott any arrest orders targeting its leaders. In a direct appeal to Berlin, Ambassador Prosor highlighted Germany's commitment to Israel's security, stating that it was being tested. He argued that equating a democratic government with Hamas by the chief prosecutor demonizes and delegitimizes Israel and the Jewish people while undermining Israel's right to self-defense. Hebestreit refrained from directly addressing the Israeli government's demands. Germany, a signatory to the ICC, has consistently supported such multilateral organizations. On Thursday, before Hebestreit's announcement, Prosor wrote on X in both German and English, "This is outrageous. The German Staatsrassen is now being put to the test, no ifs or buts. This contrasts with the weak statements we hear from some institutions and political actors. The public statement that Israel has the right to self-defense loses credibility if our hands are tied as soon as we defend ourselves." Staatsrassen is the German word that refers to Germany's pledge to ensure Israel's security is part of its national security and interests. Former German Chancellor Angela Merkel declared during her 2008 Knesset speech that Israel is part of Germany's Raison d'être or state of being.